I'm going to show you how to make crispy chicken pieces with caramelized sauce. Start by marinating 1 pound of chicken or turkey breast. If the pieces are thin, turn your knife to obtain bigger slices. You can also use chicken thighs. Put them in a mixing bowl. Then add 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of ground pepper, 1 tablespoon of Shaoxing cooking wine, 1/2 tablespoon of light soy sauce. Mix and keep aside. Slice 2 shallots. Chop 3 cloves of garlic. Grate a piece of ginger to get 1 teaspoon. Put it with the chopped garlic. Prepare the seasoning sauce. In a bowl, put 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of fish sauce, a pinch of salt, some ground pepper, 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. Combine. Then add 1/3 cup of water. Mix. Put 1 egg white in the chicken marinade. Then mix. The egg white will allow the cornstarch to adhere to the pieces of meat. Then gradually add 5 tablespoons of cornstarch. Mix. During the cooking, the starch combined with the egg whites will create a light and crispy crust while keeping the meat juicy and tender. Preheat the oil to 320 degrees. Then turn to low heat before frying the shallots for about 2 minutes. Be careful, the oil should not exceed half the pan, because while cooking, the shallots could make the oil overflow. Stir from time to time. When they start to color, stir constantly. When they are golden, remove them. They'll become crispy on contact with air. Turn to high heat when the oil is at 340 degrees. Put the chicken piece by piece. Do this in 2 batches for even cooking. Let them fry for 5 minutes, stirring occasionally. When they are golden brown, remove them. In a pan heated over high heat, put 1 tablespoon of frying oil and 2 tablespoons of sugar. Spread them out a little. Let it caramelize over high heat. Don't stir, otherwise the sugar won't caramelize. When the sugar has melted and begins to take on color, briefly stir to homogenize the caramel. When bubbles appear, turn to low heat and add the chopped garlic and grated ginger. Stir for 5 seconds. Mix the seasoning sauce and add it. Stir for 10 seconds. Add the chicken pieces. Stir for 10 seconds. And cut the 5. The caramel chicken is ready. Sprinkle with the fried shallots. Enjoy with jasmine rice. Bon appétit! We enjoy the chicken pieces as small fritters coated with a delicious sauce. This caramel sauce provides a good balance between sweet and salty. The fried shallots complete the dish with crunch and a delicious aroma. Thank you. See you at the next homemade dish on Morgan Recipes.